Do you want to get items like this or this for free on the internet without spending a dime? Now watch this video to the end and I'll show you how to get these items for free. Welcome back to the channel. If you're new to the channel, don't forget to hit that like button, share and subscribe. By the way, I'm going to be giving these 2 items to 2 lucky subscribers, so stick around this space for more info. So I basically got these 2 items for free. When I say free, it's like 4 naira, which is about 0.04 USD. Yeah, that's pretty much nothing. So how did I get these items for free? I'm going to show you that in a bit. To get these items, you have to be on AliExpress as a new user. So I'm pretty sure a lot of you have seen ads popping up saying get this item for 4 naira, get this item for 5 naira, but you're like, yeah, this is probably a scam. It's not a scam. If you're a new user on AliExpress, you get what we call a free deal or a new user free deal. So with this, you can get any item ranging from earbuds to charging adapters to USB hubs and so on and so forth. A lot actually. So what's the trick here? You just have to be a new user. Once you're a new user, you can sign in and get these items for free or for 5 naira. So all you have to do is head onto your AliExpress app. If you don't have the app installed already, just go onto the Play Store and download the app. Once the app is downloaded, sign up an account with AliExpress and then voila, you've gotten these free deals listed. To place an order, all you have to do is click on the item you want to buy. So you scroll through it and look through to see if everything is intact. You can check through people who have actually bought the item before. You look at pictures they've bought and use it to confirm if the item you're going to get is actually from a good store. After that, you go to buy now and you fill in the details necessary for payments, your country, your phone number and everything else. And next to your payment method, which would be your card, Visa, Verve, whatever it is. And after that, you just click on confirm and that's all. After 2 months, your item is going to be delivered to you because it's basically free shipping, and free shipping takes a lot of time, more than normal standard shipping, which you pay for and all of that. And that's it. As you can see, I have my 2 items just delivered. I actually went to pick it up myself. The Redmi AirDots and RGB lights, which I placed an order for. You can see in the box we have the earbuds, the manual, and on the other side we have the earbud itself. It's actually quite hard to bring out, but yeah, here we see it. Here you can see it. The earbud is out and here it is. It's looking nice and shiny. This is matte black. As you can see, Redmi is engraved on it, so that's pretty cool. Here you open it up and you see the earbuds all nice and looking sleek inside the earbud compartment. So in here we have the RGB light. It's right inside this ceiling. So once brought out, you would see it. So here it is, the RGB light, which is actually awesome. You can put this at your desk, behind your computer screen. Anyways, if this video was helpful to you, don't forget to hit that like button, share and subscribe. By the way, these items that I got for free, I'll be giving it out to 2 of our subscribers, so keep watching this space for more information. I'll see you in the next video, guys. Peace out.